Today, 3 trailer concrete pumps are fully prepared and ready for shipment to overseas job sites. They represent not just delivery, but efficiency and trust. Trailer concrete pumps are essential equipment in modern construction, widely used in buildings, bridges, tunnels, and infrastructure projects. Compared to traditional methods, they significantly improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. These trailer pumps feature stable pumping performance and a powerful hydraulic system, capable of long-distance and high-pressure concrete delivery. Their compact design, easy operation, and low maintenance make them suitable for various complex job site conditions. First, the power system, equipped with either a high-performance electric motor or diesel engine, provides continuous and stable power for long working hours. The hydraulic system is the core of the pump, driving the piston movement to ensure continuous concrete delivery. A stable hydraulic system means higher efficiency and lower failure rates. The pumping system includes key components such as the hopper, delivery cylinders, a distribution valve, and a high-pressure concrete pump. The control system is user-friendly and supports remote operation, making construction safer, more efficient, and easier to manage. These pumps offer long-distance delivery with stable and continuous flow, reducing the risk of blockages. Wear-resistant components extend service life and lower maintenance costs. Whether for high-rise construction or remote projects, trailer pumps provide reliable support. Their advantages are especially clear in areas with limited labor or challenging conditions. Now, these 3 pumps are loaded and ready to be shipped to different countries, supporting projects worldwide with reliable performance. If you're looking for reliable concrete pumping solutions, contact us.